Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this amazing heart rate monitor. I really like the quality of this product as I was looking for something slim and not too bulky to give me an additional heart rate feed while I was exercising. And this one, it ticks all the boxes. The design is really simple but done so nicely. Setup is easy and it does come with a little leaflet to show you how to set it up with different items. I love the fact that it holds on nice and snug but is not uncomfortable at all. You can adjust the band with the buckle and you can take it on and off either with the clasp on the side or if you just want to slide it up and down your arm. Although my watch does have a heart rate monitor, I wanted something more consistent and accurate, and I found this was definitely doing that. And as soon as you turn it on again, it automatically will connect to the original item. I love the fact that you can wear it on either your bicep or tricep as well as on your forearm. The fact that I have to wear a sports bra working out has always hindered me from getting a heart rate monitor because it was just never comfortable. So I love that I can use this on my forearm while running and it doesn't interfere with my workout clothes at all. I think it's great, but that's just my point of view.